Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Luke here. Got a little commercial clean today that we'll be doing. So this is a little Mexican food restaurant that I do every quarter. It's actually my second time doing it, so it should be a fun one. We'll be doing all of the tile right here, which is just a lot of grease that kind of builds up, a lot of foot traffic. So all the tile all the way here. There's also some more tile over there. We'll be washing all this little top area. This is it was really full of algae last time, so we're just gonna kind of give it some SH for some preventative maintenance. All of this tile, so all this little black grease stains, it's all the way down here. We might not go all the way down there because they're working on it, but all this was really bad last time. So we're just gonna give it a good wash. And then we'll also be doing all of the windows. So it's been a couple of months since I've been here. Doesn't look too bad, but definitely ready for another clean before it starts to build up again. We got all of our water hose connected. Got water running through the line right now. We're just gonna fill up on some gas and then we'll get started. We'll also be washing this top area. All of this was really bad with algae last time I was here. I used the X-Jet last time because I needed like about a 3 to 4% mix. This time we're just going to be using the downstream injector right here. Oops. So we'll be using this bad boy. The pressure washing store was closed, so I had to pick up some Pool Essentials 10.5%, which it'll still get the job done. It really isn't going to need too much. There's really not any growth, but just kind of putting that on there just to kind of keep it clean for longer. And then for the tile, we're going to be using some LA's Awesome. That's what I used last time, did great. That's what I use a lot for grease stains, and does a good job. So we'll just probably put that in the pump up sprayer, maybe put that in the X-Jet and spray it, give it a little brushing, and then we'll surface clean it. So let's get it. Got a little bit of LA's Awesome and then some SH in here to kill any organics, and then also grease stains. Come out real good. And look how good this LA's Awesome works. So I just sprayed it on here and just kind of rubbing it off my foot already, and it's already coming off. That front part right here, it's looking real good. And I'm actually using my wand on a good majority of these tiles, because my extension wand, because I'm trying to do some gum removal, and I'm getting a good majority of it out. I will need a hot water to get all of it out. The client knows that, but as much as I can get out, that's all that matters. Alright, finished up with all the tile. It's looking good. All these little stains in the tile are just kind of wear and tear over years. This building has been here for a while, so it's not going to be perfect, but definitely looks a lot better than how it was. Got a lot of that surface dirt off of there. Pre-wetting the whole building first before we put chemical on it. Just the way I like to do things. We're using the M5 on this one. M5 and X-Jet combo. So the X-Jet only pulls water, and then the M5 pulls the chemical. X-Jet cuts off the ability to pull chemical because it has that barb. And at 4 gallons per minute, we're reaching this little top area very easily. Last time I did this building, I did it with the X-Jet and a 2.5 gallon. can land commercial jobs with a 2-gallon minute. It just takes a lot longer to finish. I think it took me like 6 hours to do last time. I think we've been here total like an hour and a half so far. It's not too bad. All right, we got the whole building soaked up. Now we're going to just rinse, and then we'll do the windows, and we'll be done. We'll collect our check, and then we'll go on to the next one, and then the next one. One thing I probably need to get is a sharpshooter, Davis sharpshooter, so I can kind of reach these tall angles. I'm getting there, but like it just be a little bit easier. And guys, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers, so if you're not subscribed, I greatly appreciate it if you guys would leave a like on this video, share it if you guys have gained any value from my channel at all. Feel free to let me know. And yeah, I mean, I like making these videos for you guys. I've helped out, talked to a bunch of people, and I feel like I've been helping out a lot. So that's kind of my main goal, is just to help you guys. Because I was in a similar position as well, to where I didn't really have any direction, and I just kind of had to learn on my own and just kind of watch YouTube. So if I can kind of be that video that sparks your guys' motivation and interest, then that's all I can ask for. Let's go ahead and get this building washed, and yeah, see how it turns out. All right, got the M5 twist on. See how long it takes to get chemical. Those bubbles are just the LA's awesome that's still on here. Once we start smelling bleach, got about 200 feet of line, so there we go. There's our soap. So now we're gonna shoot up there. Get everything on nice spray. The good thing is, since this is like some type of stucco, since we already hit it with a hot mix the first time, we can downstream it the next times that we come here, save time. We'll let that dwell on there for a little bit, and then we'll rinse it off. If y'all don't have hose reels, check out my link in my description. I got the hose reels that I use right now for the high pressure hose, and also the garden hose. Saves a ton of time, so check it out. So now we're gonna water fed pull all the windows. So I got my water fed pull right here. Got the hose. Hey guys, so I wanted to share with you how I landed this job. So I actually landed this from a door knock. I was kind of driving around this neighborhood, saw a house that looked like it could use a wash, ended up door knocking it and then landing the house wash. Come to find out that he was actually the owner or previous owner of this restaurant. Now it's one of his family members that owns it. So ended up washing the ex-owner's house, then washing their restaurant, which now landed to ended up being a quarterly contract, and then also did the family member's house as well. So got about 3 jobs out of one door, and then it landed to some good reoccurring income every quarter. Alright, all finished up. Got the building washed, got the tile washed. Got all of the windows looking good. All of these little water spots, those will all dry up. This whole window is looking really good right now. Same with this one. Here's that front again. Right here, the front is usually the dirtiest, and then the rest of it usually isn't too bad. Usually right by the doors, kind of where a lot of foot traffic is, a lot of trash gets pulled out. Well, I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys aren't subscribed, I really appreciate it if you guys would. We're just a few more subscribers away from 1,000, and we're doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So I'll be giving away either a ball valve, stubby gun, downstream injector, something small like that. I just left my brush. That's why I always want to make sure you do a final walk around. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to be a part of that. We're like 30 subscribers away, so we're almost there. And I really appreciate you guys watching. Any videos that you guys want me to make in the future, just put them down in the comments. If you guys have any questions, put them down in the comments as well, and I'll do my best to answer all of them as best as I can. But until the next one, guys, see you in the next video. Hey guys, before I go, I wanted to show you guys something cool. So I just had the owner of this restaurant come out to talk to me, and he asked me if I do window cleaning. He saw me washing this building, so I said, yeah. Funny story is that I actually didn't even know this, but I left a card at his house a couple days ago. I was just doing one of my bi-weekly window cleanings, and I passed a business card out that's on a couple doors next door. And this owner of this restaurant comes out to me just now. He says, I think I have your card. Did you leave a business card on my door a couple days ago? I was like, yeah, I did. So crazy just comes to show you, you never know who's going to be at what door. So that's why I always do 5 rounds. Whenever you're done with the job, just leave a few business cards at a few houses, and you never know what can happen.